Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet Craft. Into today's video we are learning the front post double crochet, the stitch that gives your work a gorgeous 3D texture, perfect for blanket, hats and even basket weave patterns. Stick with me till the end because I will share my secret trick for making the post stitches pop evenly every time. Before we jump into the post stitch, we need a foundation chain to work on. Front post double crochet is usually worked into an existing row of double crochets. So let's start with a small swatch so beginners can see exactly what's going on. So to start, I'm going to start with a slip knot and I will chain 12. You can chain any even number you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, now work a row of double crochet into each chain and you're going to chain 3 and 10 our work. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to chain an extra one for turning. So I'm going to yarn over into the second chain from the hook. I'll do a double crochet. So a double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, pull up a loop, 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we are going to carry on placing double crochet into each chain. Here's where the magic begins. Instead of working into the top of the stitch like normal, we are going to work around the border. We are going to work around the body of the stitch. So what you're going to do now is we are going to yarn over. These 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Insert your hook from front to back to front again. So this is the board of the stitch right there. So we are going to insert our hook from front to back to front again. So this is the front and that's the back. So we are going to insert our hook from front. This is the front. Insert from the front to back. Now it's on the back. And then we are going to bring it back to front, just like that. And now we are going to yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we've got 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. That's front post double crochet. Now we are going to repeat that. Yarn over. Instead of working into the stitch like normal, we are going to work into the body of the stitch, around the body of the stitch. So we are going to do a front post double crochet. So from the front, this is the front and that's the back. So from the front to the back and to the front. Yarn over and do a double crochet, which is yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now we are going to repeat that all the way to the end. So for round 3 we are going to chain 3 and turn our work, and we're going to keep repeating row 2, and by yarning over, go around the next stitch from the front, not into the top. If you're a beginner, don't worry. If your tension feels a little tight, post stitches loosen up with practice. So practice, 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 and you will get it. Here's a fun twist. If you alternate your front post double crochet with a regular double crochet for more subtle ribbing. Front post double crochets make stitches pop out, while a regular double crochets lays flat. So alternating them creates a pattern and texture. And that's the front post double crochet. Once you have mastered it, you can combine it with back post stitches for cables, bucket weave, and so much more. I've got a whole playlist of crochet stitches tutorials linked here, so grab your yarn and hook, and let's keep building your skills. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Bye.